United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 38, Right of Transit Passage, 1. In straits referred to in Article 37, all ships and aircraft enjoy the right of transit passage, which shall not be impeded, except that, if the strait is formed by an island of a state bordering the strait and its mainland, transit passage shall not apply if there exists, seaward of the island, a route through the high seas, or through an exclusive economic zone of similar convenience, with respect to navigational and hydrographical characteristics. 2. Transit passage means the exercise in accordance with this part of the freedom of navigation, and overflight solely for the purpose of continuous and expeditious transit of the strait between one part of the high seas, or an exclusive economic zone, and another part of the high seas, or an exclusive economic zone. However, the requirement of continuous and expeditious transit does not preclude passage through the strait for the purpose of entering, leaving or returning from a state bordering the strait, subject to the conditions of entry to that state. 3. Any activity, which is not an exercise of the right of transit passage through a strait, remains subject to the other applicable provisions of this convention.